Guys, you see this weather? This rain actually changed my plan on this very day, which I was not happy about because it was actually on Saturday, which I normally cook and share the food to the people on the street. It is not that I don't like rain, but it was just the timing because I had already planned to cook jollof rice garnished with vegetable, with boiled egg and fried plantain, and share to the people on the street and my family too. But all this did not happen. When I woke up on that Saturday, I got dressed and entered the kitchen to prepare the food as planned. Then the rain started. I was thinking that the rain will stop on time, but no. I went ahead and checked the weather forecast, and it showed that the rain will continue till evening. So I had no option than to change my plan, of which the vegetable I supposed to garnish the jollof rice with, I cooked vegetable stew with it and sliced the plantain, stored it in my freezer so that it will not go bad, because I don't want that to happen. Though the vegetable came out nice, it was good, but that was not my intention. Even the tomato mix that I used to cook the vegetable was meant for jollof rice, but I just used it to cook the vegetable so that the vegetable will not go to waste. Then I cooked the small pot of jollof rice instead of big pot of jollof rice so that my family can eat, because I was thinking that when I cook the big pot of rice, I will take half of it for my family and share the remaining one to the people I normally share the food to. Actually, it was not what I intended doing on this very day. And what pained me the most was the people I normally share the food to will have been waiting for me, thinking that I will bring the food to them, but I did not go. So that was how I ended up cooking for only my family. Though the rice came out nice, we enjoyed it. Honestly, if you want to enjoy your rice, just check the way I cooked this rice and cook yours like that. It will actually come out good and taste delicious, just the one this one tasted. I enjoyed it, and I hope that there will be no rain tomorrow, being Sunday, so that I can cook and share for the people I normally share the food to. Honestly, the rain always fall every day now, though it is the time, but it is somehow when you have plan and the rain just stops you from doing what you wanted to do. What do you think about this rice? It looks good, right? Yeah, it looks good and tastes nice. And I fried small plantain too to eat with the rice. Even the egg that I boiled, I had to keep the remaining one in the fridge so that it will not go bad. And this was when I was serving the food. What do you think? It actually tastes good. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.